stop scrolling. Give me 10 seconds to upgrade your views. If your videos aren't getting clicks, it's not the algorithm, it's the packaging. Today I'm giving you a rapid hook value CTA sprint you can copy on your next upload and watch the graph move up. Hook. Your first 5 seconds decide the whole video. I open with a promise, a time box, and a pattern break. Example. In 3 minutes I'll fix your title, thumbnail, and first 15 seconds, so your next video doubles its watch time. Title. Thumbnail. First 15 seconds. Say exactly what you'll deliver, and when. Remove fluff. Start at the most interesting moment you have. No intros, no logos, no welcome back. Value 1. Clicks start with curiosity, not poetry. Titles that win do 3 things. Clear promise. Create an open loop. And use simple words. Swap my morning routine productivity hacks for I tried waking up at 5 a.m. for 7 days. Here's what changed. Use numbers, time, and transformation. Keep it under 60 characters when possible. 1 idea per title. Value 2. Thumbnails are mini stories, faces, emotion. 1 focal point. Big text or no text. Contrast your subject with a clean background. If the title says the promise, the thumbnail shows the tension. Example. Title, I quit sugar for 30 days. Thumbnail, shocked face, plus red X over candy. Plus day 1 versus day 30. Test 3 versions. Ask, would a stranger understand this in half a second? Value 3. Your first 15 seconds must pay off the click. Hook, context in 1 line, then immediate progress. Cut today, I'm going to, and replace with action. If it's a tutorial, show the end result first, then rewind. If it's a story, start at the conflict. If it's a challenge, set the stakes and the timer. Value 4. Retention is editing. Every 3-6 seconds, change something. Angle, zoom, graphic, beat, or idea. Kill filler words. Cut setup by half. Remove anything the audience can infer. Add checkpoints. By the end, you'll have a plug-and-play script. Value 5. Format beats motivation. Cold open with the payoff result in 3 seconds. Promise in 1 sentence. 3 fast value hits. Mini cliffhanger before each section. Recap and single CTA. Value 6. CTA that doesn't feel like homework. Ask for 1 action tied to a benefit. Example, comment thumbnail and I'll DM you my 3 layout template. Or, subscribe if the next video should be a live title audit. Sprint template you can steal. Title, I fixed 3 channels in 3 minutes. Here's what changed thumbnail. Split screen, before, after graphs. Plus 1 shocked face. Hook line. In 180 seconds I'll rebuild your title, thumbnail and intro. Sections, title fix, 40s. Thumbnail fix, 40s. Intro fix, 40s. Retention checklist, 40s. CTA, drop your niche below. I'll pick 5 channels to fix on camera. CTA, if this helped, prove it. Pick your next video, rewrite the title using a transformation, build a 1 idea thumbnail, and recut your first 15 seconds tonight. Then tag me with